without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Inside here they have their Christmas tree, all festive for the season. Okay. Come here, gonna lock one on the feel like. Okay. Okay. If not worry. Oh my God.
It's December again, I can't believe it. Whatever happened to the rest of the year? It went by so fast, I barely did see it. Now I'm calling all angels high, if you are there, help me find the Christmas spirit again. The Christmas spirit again. That warm place in my heart that was there from the start. I want that Christmas spirit again. I find myself wandering downtown, window shopping, listening to the sound from some street choir caroling through the air, and the smell of the big Christmas tree in the square. Here comes the Christmas spirit again.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Vlogmas Day. Will it be Vlogmas Day 6 or 7? I don't know because I'm having some upload issue right now. Yeah. So I'm having roly-poly ice cream for the first time. You guys would have seen how they made it, or you guys are going to see it after. Not sure which part I'm going to put that clip. I got the, what flavor is this? Cheesecake or something like that. And babe got the, what flavor you get? Dragon stout and what, almond? Yeah. We're actually sitting over in Margaritaville, Island Village Plaza. Yeah. Yeah guys, so my review on roly-poly. Just take ice cream. I'm gonna taste the cheesecake in there. Taste. Yeah, taste my answer when you taste here. I'm gonna taste yours. Yours bad? Here the crickets them. We just sit down by ourselves. You don't taste like literally. You don't taste like the when you blend up the dragon with the Lasco and all of that. That juice.
After making it to a dragon.
Yeah. We're gonna enjoy these though, or continue feasting on them, and then come back. Okay, guys, so a mask drop. Oh God. So heading back out now to the car. Huh? In the middle. Walk here. Here. I am back out to the car. They have a few Christmas decor inside the village, the central part of the plaza. It's like a nice. You know what I was looking forward to see? The Turk River Park with its decoration. It's always nicely done. I don't see anything. It's a little tree. I thought it was bigger. It's one little bitty tree. You can hardly see it. So this is over Island Village. So it's up there, so no decor up there. I practically threw out my ice cream. It was too sweet. So we're heading back outside now. My hair was mad today because I'm leaving from Clarendon. I was running late. Whenever I come here, we just brush it up and it hit the road. So just came here for some ice cream and they're going to leave now. They put me back off. I feel like I drop it now. Probably can't screw them back. So I gotta hit the road now to go back home. So I'll see you guys when I get home. So guys, I'm here to give you guys a little review on these two things that I own from Pandora. And I don't know if I'm gonna get paid because my people are not even know some exist over here so on YouTube. But however, I want to do this little review for those people like me who would kill up themselves over like always want to have own a Pandora bracelet and all of that. I always wanted to own one because don't mind how messy my box is, because of just, you see everybody with a Pandora bracelet and it's full of charm, and I'm not sure what is the whole thing behind it. I don't know if it allows us to feel as if girl power is strong or what, or it's just one of those fashion that everyone, you know, get themselves in because it makes us feel a certain way or look a certain way. However, finally get my Pandora bracelet, and I got a charm. So I got the bracelet from my best friend, and I never actually did an unboxing, but this is the box it came in, and I got it in a bag like this, right? So the charm inside here was purchased in Jamaica, the bracelet was purchased in Canada. So it came like this, and this is the actual bracelet. I've been wearing it for some time now. I just put it back in the box so you guys could see it. It's just basic, like it's just basic, and it's stainless steel. It does not change. So for the persons who really like to have something on their hand, then that's perfect for you. Yeah, if you guys have any in-depth or some underlying details to this reasons why ladies like to have it on, or why we want to own one, let me know, but I'm not sure why. Anyways, so I got the bracelet from it's called a Pandora charm holder, right? We consider it as bracelet. And then I got my first charm that I purchased here in Jamaica. So it came with the dust bag here. Came with a dust bag, this dust bag, I guess if you want to store all of your charm in. And then you got the shopping bag. It came with the tissue paper and the charm. I could have taken it in, I think, a little bag thing or the box. I decided to take it in the box. You got a nice box with the Pandora engraved in it, and open it. And then the charm, stainless steel charm too as well. I got this is a basic one, and this is 25 USD dollars. I think this is 65, 65, I don't remember. It's 55 US or something like that. And the basic charm, it starts from 25 USD go up. So this is my first basic charm, and it came in a like a thing with a ribbon that I can pull it off, and then to put it on the charm now I would just open it like so, and then I struggle because I hold the phone, and then I would put on the charm and show. And then when the charm is added, it looks like this. But my one basic, because I only have one charm, I am going to add on to it as time goes by. Yeah, so I wanted to do like a review on it. It's cool, just a nice good thing to always have on your hand. It's really basic at this point because I only have one charm on it. But yeah, let me know why the ladies like to have one of these. Yeah, why we so caught up with these little stuff. So yeah guys, so this is where I'm going to end Vlogmas day 6. This is where I'm going to end Vlogmas day 6. I'll see you guys in my next upload, which is Vlogmas day 7. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, bye bye, take care.